Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to hide your online status in the Indeed app. If you want to browse jobs without letting recruiters know you are online, this video will guide you through the process easily. You will be able to adjust your settings. First, open the Indeed app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the top right of your screen, you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the menu. After that, select Settings from the menu. Next, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Communication Settings. Then, locate the option labeled Show Online Status. Finally, toggle the switch to turn off your online status. By completing these steps, your online presence will be hidden from recruiters and other users on the platform. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others.